To bag your own groceries, try to group similar items together to prevent cross-contamination and help refrigerated items stay cold. Put refrigerated and frozen items in one bag, fruits and vegetables in another, and meats in their own bag. Keep eggs in a separate bag from raw foods in case they crack. As you're bagging, place heavier items like cans and jars on the bottom, and lighter items like bread on the top, so they don't get crushed. To maximize space, create a wall around the outer edge of each bag with boxed foods. Then, fill the middle with fragile items like chips, cereal, and pasta. If you're packing multiple glass items, keep them separate so they don't knock against each other and break on the ride home. You can leave heavier items like milk jugs, soda, and detergent outside of your grocery bags so they don't weigh the bags down and cause them to rip. Do the same with any chemicals, like household cleaners, so they don't leak and ruin your food.